Why can't I see you? I hate technology. Got it. I love
And
that.
very excited to be talking to you, especially for a project which is so looking so exciting.
I think Mrs. marries my two passions very beautifully, which is dancing and acting. One of the reasons that took me so long to explore this side of me, this creative side of me, is because I, as an actor, I'm always looking for really solid scripts and characters. So that is something that excites me as an actor and as a creative. And I was also looking for a script that just beautifully combines these two things and let me explore um this creative side of me. So I think Mrs. does that beautifully. I'm quite satisfied
Amazing.
as
You
an
know,
actor.
the movie's releasing on Z5 Global on 7th February,
Mm,
but the entire thing is that it has already been doing the rounds internationally, and you
mm,
have been so much of applause and love for it.
mm,
So, are you kind of, already in that space where you're like, that it is going to be loved by everyone, or are
mm.
you still a little bit, there's a little bit of excitement, like, a little bit of anxiety, like how will people receive it
No,
worldwide?
I think this is such a beautiful question because I think because we've been doing these rounds of film festivals, I have seen it uh, uh, with an audience in Melbourne and then IFFI. And yesterday we had a screening in Mumbai.
Hmm.
Um, I am overwhelmed with the love that I'm getting, and that has also given me I I I I think that has given me so much confidence that I'm not feeling, anxious or worried about how it will be received by the audience because I've seen how people are responding to the film and to my character. I think I'm quite confident that it will be received very well.
Amazing. We are looking forward to it as well. Very excited about it because also, it's coming from a space, Sanya, where we have seen you uh, do such versatile projects. So whenever you are associated with a project, there is something we know there's something going to be exciting to look forward to. You
Yeah,
bring that
thank
credibility.
you.
So,
Thank you
but
so
we want
much.
to know, considering that, you have done so many different characters, what's the real Sanya like? Like, there's one project where you've been so demure, then there's something like Paglet, which has seen you like crazy. We've seen you in Dangal, photograph, like you're all over. So, what is the real Sanya like?
I think I'm nothing like the characters that I have portrayed till date. Um, the real Sanya, I think my social media is a good. I think if you want to know who I am, I think you can go see my Instagram. Like I'm very much myself there. So that's the real me. Of course, also well curated. Of course, when I'm on days when I'm feeling low and, not so great about things around me, I don't post and go post about those days. But yeah, I think I'm very honest that way. And that also reflects in somewhere it reflects in the films that I do and also reflects on my social media. So the real me, I'm still actually trying to figure out who the real me is. Because I do films and then I sometimes get those personalities back home. So I don't know who the real me is actually.
So on days that, like you said, not every day you're feeling your highest, your best, but you
Hmm.
have powered yourself through the journey, even in
Hmm.
Bollywood.
Hmm.
So what would you say has been your strength? There are so many girls who look up to you for, like
Hmm.
as a role model. This girl came out where she's doing the kind of work on her own terms, especially.
Hmm.
What's been your strength?
I think definitely my friends and my family. Um, I am what I am because of the people that I surround myself with. They have kept me grounded and they have given me the strength to power through things professionally and also personally. So definitely my family and my friends.
Okay. Also, Sanya, because you have played so many, several roles where you have played the wife, have you ever given it a thought कि when you get married, मैं इस type की wife बनूंगी type?
Never actually. But I keep joking about that. There are so many times I've gotten married on screen that I might get married in pajamas. Because, oh my God, it's hectic to do bridal makeup and that those looks. And I've done it so many times, not just for my films, but even for the photo shoots, for magazine shoots, I've done it. So I just feel exhausted when I'm doing all of that. I feel like, oh my God, I'm definitely going to have a very chill wedding. My wedding will be a pajama wedding, a pajama party. Yeah.
Oh, very interesting, but with lots of music, I'm sure.
100% music, dance, that goes without saying.
Amazing, amazing. So are you very romantic at heart? Like, if you're okay with the pajama, like, fairy tales or one of those things, or only Prince Charming ke liye wo?
Am I romantic? I think I am. I'm quite romantic in my own ways.
Okay. And what would be the way to win your heart then?
Just be honest and kind. I like people who are honest and kind.
That's so sweet. But, you know, not like, tall, dark, handsome wala kuch criteria nahi hai. Especially
Nah,
as an
that goes off
actor.
the window, I think. Oh, that is not important. One needs to be a nice human being. That is way more important than how you look.
Has it ever happened that you've had a crush on, someone that you're probably working with, not necessarily a co-actor, could
Hmm.
be.
I have never, sadly, never, because I think also, um, I don't know, I go on set with, when I go on set, I'm completely logged in. I'm not thinking about anything else apart from work or my character or the script. So that has never happened.
Okay.
And I
Okay.
think
If I
I'll be
were
very bored if I am with someone who's from the same industry. Like I would like to have some disconnect. When I come back home, I do not want to talk about work. But if you're working with someone but if you're with someone who's from the same industry, then you're constantly surrounding yourself with the same old conversations. Nothing new is happening. So I don't know. I think I might get bored.
Oh, okay,
Hmm.
that's interesting too. But coming back to Mrs. Are there any similarities that you've seen in the character besides your passion for dance? Would
Hmm.
you say that there are some similarities between you and the character?
No, because the struggles that she is facing, I have not faced those. Like I have faced some bits, like that whole period thingy. I have also heard that a lot growing up कि वो periods में किचन नहीं जाते क्या ये नहीं करते वो नहीं करते. In fact, someone told me that do not touch plants when you're on your periods because uh, they might dry up if you touch them. I was a little kid when someone told me that कि मत छूना क्योंकि ये टाइम पे आपको ये प्लांट्स को भी नहीं छूना चाहिए कि we have been feeding such weird things to our women. एक पता नहीं मतलब वो उस चीज के अलावा there's nothing common between Richa and I, but I have though I've seen other women around me go through those struggles, I was able to empathize with them and also my character and make it, more personal in that way.
Yeah, but a lot of the work that you have done kind of somewhere always carry a beautiful message for women out there, for the men out there,
Hmm.
and also kind of roles that you have essayed are the kind of women that we need and we kind
On
of
screen.
on screen. So
Hmm.
so is that again a very kind of a conscious choice, or you are kind of picking up like, okay, this is coming your way, so this is all that you're doing? Or
No,
is
no,
it
no,
like
no.
this is what I want to do?
This is what I want to do. I think as an actor, I've gotten this opportunity and a platform, so why not use it? And definitely, this is a conscious decision to pick such characters and scripts because I feel empowered doing such films. And I also hope that young girls who are watching me feel empowered as well when they're watching these women that we watch around us almost every day on screen. Women that one can relate and resonate with. So
Who've been
definitely a conscious decision.
who've been your strongest influences when it comes to, you know?
My mother. Um, my mother always wanted to become a fashion designer, and unfortunately, she kept her dreams and desires aside to, after marriage, and also kind of also fulfilled those desires and dreams through us. Like she still makes clothes for my sister and I, and we wear it. Like for my sister's wedding, I wore something that my mother designed for me. For Mrs. Premiere at the Melbourne Indian Film Festival, I wore a dress that my mother made. She has powered through cancer. She is a cancer survivor. And even when she was going through the treatment, how she was still taking care of us and the house. Used to come back after her chemo sessions and cook meals for us. I mean, there are crazy things that my mother has done, and I feel she's one of the strongest influences in my life. I think every day I learn something new about her and from her. So, she's an amazing woman, and I am what I am because of her.
Wow, lots of love and prayers for her.
Thank
And
you.
now we know, Sanya, why you are like this. Of course, you had to be this strong,
Yeah,
this
because
woman that you are.
yeah, I have really strong women around me. Mama, my masi, my nani, my sister, my friends. I have such amazing women around me who are who have shaped me and are still shaping me somewhere.
And we owe a thanks to you because, you know, through your performances, through your roles, through the characters that you're bringing on screen, you're being able to kind of, you know, just kind of expand and send that out in the universe somewhere.
Right. Yeah, I
So
feel glad that I get these opportunities as an actor.
amazing. So, what are your upcoming projects apart from Mrs. that we're going to be
Sunny
looking?
Sanskari Tulsi Kumari with Varun Dhawan,
Yes.
Janvi and Rohit Saraf. Then there's Toaster with Rajkumar Rao. And there's this other film that I've done with Bobby Deol, directed by Anurag Kashyap, which will release this year. I have 4 releases this year. I'm quite happy and
Wow.
elated.
Tane on a roll.
Yeah.
Amazing. And a treat for us cinema lovers because it's
Mm.
always amazing to see you on screen. But
Thank you.
this has been amazing talking to you.